Hello students, here we are solving a question which is based on the topic of work power and energy. The question here is calculate the amount of work done by a laborer who carries n bricks, each of mass m, to the roof of a house of height h by climbing up the ladder. So first of all we see what is given to us. Given is n is equals to number of bricks, m is mass of each brick, and the height he covers is h is height, or we can say displacement. So now we see solution for this question. Solution: when the laborer is moving up with the ladder, so he is going upward, so its displacement is in the upper direction, and when he is lifting up the brick, he is applying force also in the upward direction. So the angle between force and displacement are in same direction, so the angle between them is 0 degree. So now m is mass of each brick, so total mass lifted is equals to n into m kg. Therefore work done is force into displacement, which is equals to Fs cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, so work done is equals to F into S. The force applied will be equals to weight of the bricks. So weight is total mass into acceleration due to gravity, and displacement is equals to h. So work done, total mass is n times m into g into h, or we can say n times mgh. So now we write the answer to this question. Work done by the laborer is equals to n times mgh. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.